Hi, welcome back to Mechanic Garage. Roof lining for that. It's not going to be a full video on it because I've already done it before, and I'll stick that up here so you can actually watch that if you need to see it and how to do it, because it's quite a long process. I'll show you bits of it as I go, and then we'll get back on with the brakes because I've got all the parts for it now. Now, this is taking advantage of today being not likely to rain and sunny and not windy. Windy being the main thing. Right, there's a couple of minor repairs to do to this. Literally a couple of cracks where it happened when it came out, but it's still rigid. There's a bit of, now I was talking about it, the wind's picked up. And this bit here, it's just made out of compressed layers of cardboardy stuff. It's not the strongest. So I'll glue all these back in to start with. That'll make it stronger and strengthen up these edges because it's a bit floppy there. The rest of it is just clean off this because it comes off easy enough. Last time I did it, I used this stiff brush, but this was just hoovered. It's got the hoover on it, and it scraped it off and got rid of it at the same time, rather making a great big mess. So it's just going to be a case of clean it up, get some glue on it, get the fabric on, and then put it out in the house in storage so it doesn't get damaged, because that's been sat in my garage for a little bit. And the more it's in there, the more it's going to get damaged. So as I say, this will just be like quick bits, show you what's what, and then the other video will show you how to do it fully, start to finish. That's that all cleaned off. Yeah, the weird bit is where the sun visors were here, the glue was still quite sticky and the foam was like a light colour where everything else had gone dark brown, so guessing it being enclosed helped it. Just giving it a wipe down with some thinners just to get any greasy oval marks off it, anything like that, but it's propped up the corners so it's sat how it wants to be. I'll get some glue on it and get some fabric on. I don't know if you noticed in that, I had a bit of an issue. I had a delivery and I got distracted for a split second and it's stuck in the wrong place and got a big crease in it. So then I tried to recover it. It didn't rip, I managed to peel it back, even though it was really, really stuck. I don't know what to do now. I don't think it's good enough. I'm going to see what it looks like when it's settled a bit, because sometimes the foam will react and come back out, but at the moment I don't like it at all. And considering it's supposed to be ivory coloured, I'll show you. The plastics have gone a bit of a funny colour with age, because they're a lot lighter. There you go. Now I've cleaned them, they're a lot lighter. But this effectively should be the same colour. It's nothing like it, but if you turn that over, it's a lot lighter. I think it's just the aged plastic that's gone a bit funny. I mean, hacking at this has been terrible. I've got a brand new sharp blade, trimmed around the edge, and it just would not cut. Normally I loop it round and overlap it, but I was sort of losing, I won't say interest, but there's bits like that which are just disgusting. I can't deal with it. And that was the initial crease. I got that crease in there and I tried to recover it. I don't know if you'll be able to see it very well, but look at the state of that. That bit that I was worried about, because you have to stretch it and rotate it. Stretch it and run it round curves and make it a different shape. That all went well. That bit is bloody awful. I think I made it worse with the roller, because I'll have squashed the foam down. I should have known better, because I'm not happy with that at all. Yes, it's behind your head. Yes, it's up in the roof behind, but the problem now is doing it a second time. That's like going to be the hardest stuff to get off in the world, because the original stuff, all the foam had died, and I keep getting bloody spiders on it, little bugs and stuff. Spider webs flying through the air. Oh, and I sprayed glue on it, which will come off. That's not a massive issue, but that is just awful. That was the initial problem, like I say, and then it all just went wrong from there, because it's pulled some of the backboard off when I peeled it back. I'll trim this when it's trim around this edge a bit neater later. But I remember last time I did it, I can't remember what it was, but I ended up cutting here, and I almost cut the wrong way. I can't remember what I did. You can't cut the wrong way, but it's all alright up here where you can't see. That, as I say, is just discoloured itself, but I think they all do that. Short of spraying it, painting it, which I'm not going to do. But it's better than it was. It's not all falling out on your head, but it ain't right. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. If you look closely, there's aliens. It's like the surface of the bloody moon. But yeah, that. There you go. You can see it badly there. It's terrible, and I was worried about that bit. I think once I got this bit, I was like, yeah, I'm all right now. But then got distracted for a split second. So I don't know now. I'm not going to do anything with it yet. I'll get the welding done, get everything else done first, and then I'm going to put it in the car and see how it looks. If it's not horrendous above your head, if it's not horrendous, it might have to stay. I've got to do the sunroof panel, which means dropping the sunroof out of the car. Get the sun out of the way. There you go. So I can do that. I haven't got enough fabric for that, so I need to buy some more anyway. And I suppose that was supposed to be ivory, which I think it is compared to the grey. Maybe I need to find one that's beige. But then that's the same colour as what came out. It's just aged a tiny bit with the colour. But anyway, yeah. If you watch the other video, the one I pointed out at the beginning, that's how it's supposed to go. That's how you're supposed to do it. And overlap it around the edges and make it nice and neat. And there's damn cobwebs flying around everywhere. Get off it. All I did now is a seagull to come across and crap on it. That'll just finish my day off lovely. But, never mind. Thanks very much for watching. Yay. What a result. Cheers.